10 Best Ways to Stop Teeth Grinding. 1. Warm compress. Applying moist heat on the jaw area is one of the best ways to prevent teeth grinding and jaw clenching. 2. Massage. Gently massage the muscles of the neck, shoulders, and face in circular motion for a few minutes daily before going to sleep. 3. Valerian. Valerian has muscle relaxing properties that help you relax and enjoy deep sleep. 4. Lavender. Lavender has a calming and soothing effect on the nervous system due to its bioactive constituents. 5. Herbal tea. If you are tense or under stress and likely to have disturbed sleep, drink a cup of herbal tea before going to bed. 6. Turmeric milk. Turmeric and milk when combined together can help control the problem of teeth grinding to a great extent. 7. Calcium and magnesium. Teeth grinding can also be reduced or stopped by taking calcium and magnesium supplements every day. 8. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is highly essential for your body to function properly. 9. Deep breathing. Deep breathing exercises are another way to prevent teeth grinding. 10. Exercise. Exercising regularly at least 3 times a week will help reduce stress and calm your body.